Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'm going to share what happens to your body if you run on a treadmill every day. Stick around till the end, because it's going to be interesting. Let's dive in. Running on a treadmill offers numerous health and beauty benefits, such as improving your cardiovascular and respiratory systems, boosting metabolism, enhancing sleep quality, toning muscles, reducing stress, building endurance, and burning anywhere from 200 to 800 calories per session. I'll touch more on weight loss at the end, so make sure to watch through. You might wonder, why pay for a treadmill when you can run outside? Well, treadmills have some key advantages over outdoor running. Let's break them down. For one, treadmill workouts aren't affected by the weather. Rain, snow, heat, or humidity can all interfere with your outdoor jog, making it uncomfortable and even risky to your health. Plus, not everyone lives near a park or stadium, and the travel time to a running spot can kill your motivation. With a treadmill, you can start your workout anytime, from the comfort of your own home. Treadmills also offer better shock absorption than hard pavement, which reduces the strain on your ankles and knees, lowering the risk of injury. And the biggest perk? The treadmill's versatility. You can choose your training program, adjust the incline, and create a personalized workout plan tailored to your fitness goals. Jogging can be made more effective and enjoyable by using the right equipment, but each simulator comes with its own set of contraindications. I advise against running on a treadmill if you have joint or spine issues, certain chronic cardiovascular conditions, circulatory problems, tachycardia, bradycardia, infections, inflammation, or body intoxication. Before starting treadmill workouts or using any other fitness equipment, it's important to consult with a doctor to ensure you're not risking your health and that you're likely to see positive results. A general blood test, as well as heart and blood vessel assessments, such as an ultrasound or ECG, are recommended. In many cases, even with health conditions, treadmill use may still be safe. Adjusting the workout intensity is key. For example, running might be inadvisable for someone with an intervertebral hernia, but walking is usually fine. Can you lose weight with a treadmill? Walking and running are weight-bearing exercises that burn more calories than non-weight-bearing activities like cycling. Simple walking on a treadmill can burn 200-300 cal per hour, while light running can burn 400-500 cal per hour. With more intense effort, you could burn up to 600-800 cal per hour. For comparison, cycling at the highest intensity may burn 400-500 cal per hour. Keep in mind that calorie burn varies from person to person, depending on factors like weight, age, fitness level, and medical conditions. The numbers provided are averages. To maximize the benefits of treadmill workouts, it's essential to pay attention to your nutrition. Avoid fatty and heavy foods, and refrain from eating at least an hour before and after your workout. Focus on incorporating more vegetables and fruits into your diet, and remember to replenish your water and salt balance post-training. Is it worth buying a professional treadmill for home workouts? Not really. Professional treadmills are built for heavy, continuous use in gyms. They're made from durable materials to withstand constant operation, which makes them larger, heavier, and significantly more expensive. On the other hand, home treadmills are designed for apartment use. They take up less space and are made from simpler materials, as the load on them is much lighter than on commercial machines. By the way, be sure to check out other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen now. See you soon. Thanks for watching.